Hi there, my name is Jessica Delfino. I live in New York City. I love making crafts. Me and my friends make them all the time in our craft group called Craftermath. You can see us at craftermath.blogspot.com. Today we're going to do a really fun craft. We're going to make crazy eyes out of paper. So the first thing we need are squares of paper. If you already have them cut into circles, that's fine too. But if they're squares, we're going to cut them into circles. So take your two larger squares. They're probably going to be, about 2 inches by 2 inches. And you can do a couple things. You can fold it in half, or you can freehand cut it, whichever is easier for you. I'm just going to fold mine in half, just do a nice simple cut around. Now it doesn't matter if these eyes are perfectly circular or not, because they're crazy eyes. As a matter of fact, if you want to, your eyes could even be square. Now I have my 2 circles, then I'm going to go back in and I'm going to make the centers of my crazy eyes. I'm going to make them out of yellow. Why not? They're crazy. Just take your scissors and just go ahead and give a nice circular cut. I'm doing this one freestyle cut. Just right around, take your piece of paper and turn as you cut, turn as you cut, and turn as you cut. Before you know it, you've got some nice circle shapes here. Just like so. Now we can go pick up our glue, and we can just put a little dollop of glue. Now what I've done is I've put my glue down, but then I kind of smeared around with the tip of the glue so that it gets better coverage on the eyes. Oh, these eyes are starting to look crazy. Now, just to make them really, really, really crazy, let's take one little piece of purple. We're gonna leave it in a square because we're crazy like that. I'm just gonna stick a little purple thingy on each one. And what is going on with these eyes? These are crazy eyes. Happy crafting.